Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design a t-shirt on Canva. So here, if you want to turn or transform your idea into a t-shirt, you can easily create it using Canva. So what you need to do first is here, click on this more to see all of the size or template Canva. And next, here under the popular, you can just click on this arrow in here until you find this t-shirt options. So this is the size, the right size for a t-shirt design. So you can just click on this to open a a blank canvas on a t-shirt designs. Okay, so the canvas has been opened. In here, if you want to create from scratch, you can do so by adding elements, photos, or others. Or here you can also use templates from Canva, which are good. You can see there are lots of t-shirt templates that you can use. There are free ones, and also they are this one, Canva Pro. So you can just choose which ones. Only Canva. I'm going to just choose one on the Canva free templates. For example, I'm going to use this ones right here. Okay, so this is the design. If you want to customize it, you can do so. For example, you can change the background. For the color of the t-shirt, you can change it by clicking on this background color and choose the color that you want. For example, I'm going to into black. Here you can also change the color of the tags, or you also change the font or adjust size if you want to. And then when you are done, let's try another one. Let's choose this one. So when you are done customizing the t-shirt design, you can just easily click on the share button and download the result, or you can also share it with your partner. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.